Oh, आपकी आवाज.
Correct, bye.
Yes, we are taking one question from there.
बाहुबली के बाद, बाहुबली के पहले वाले के बाद हम आए बजरंगी, हाँ, और फिर दूसरी वाले के बाद ये ट्यूबलाइट. तो हमारे सीईओ साहब के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है. हाँ, हमको इतना फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, लेकिन इनके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर है. No, it's a phenomenal success. You know, Bahubali, it was amazing. I haven't seen the film yet. I'm going to see the film, but this doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. हर एक फिल्म की एक तकदीर होती है. अब इस फिल्म की ये तकदीर है. इस फिल्म की तकदीर देखेंगे कि कितनी बड़ी कितनी छोटी है.
No, but it's lovely. No, but it's lovely when a film comes and breaks that records. It just gives a new yardstick. It's so when I mean it's so lovely that Bahubali has come and done something like this. Yeah.
Raat Baki may soon mark the debut of Salman Khan's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Though Kejo was keen to cast Fawad Khan in the film, he is now skeptical due to the informal ban on Pakistani artists working in India. So when good friend Salman Khan asked him to plan for a perfect launchpad for his brother-in-law, Karan decided to cast him in the film across the British beauty Katrina Kaif as the main lead in Raat Baki, which is a musical love story. The film will now be made under the banner of Salman's home production, Salman Khan Films. Well, if this turns out to be true, we will soon get to see yet another good-looking jodi pair up. Now that would be quite nice, don't you think so? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates on this hot story. Prabhu Deva's Wanted marked the turning point in Salman Khan's career following a series of box office duds. Then came Dabangg, which made the Bhai shoot the unprecedented heights. While both the films are special for Salman, Wanted marks the stage which helped the Bandra boy to regain his foothold in the industry and bounce back in a truly commendable way, and a year later, the tables turned in his favour with his new Chulbul Pandey Avatar, which soon turned into a hugely successful franchise, changing the fate of his life forever. Dabangg also gave Arbaz Khan fame as a director, and following the demands of fans, the brothers were planning to launch the next inning of the franchise Dabangg 3. But it seems that the Bhai has kept on postponing his brother's dream project for other films. First it was Tiger Zinda Hai, after which the Bhai has given dates to Remo's upcoming dance-based film. Despite this, Arbaz had been patient waiting for his turn until Salman once more pushed Dabangg 3 to the back burner and given the green signal for the sequel of Wanted instead, thus postponing Dabangg 3 indefinitely. This has left Arbaz quite upset, and we wonder how Salman will manage to sort things out. What do you think? Well, here is Salman himself revealing his look from his upcoming Tubelight, which is his Eid Bonanza to the fans. Well, it all has a tagline, Kya tumhe yakeen hai? Salman shared this picture by saying, Kar lo yakeen, and says that the trailer would be out tonight at 8:59 p.m. Well, fans of Salman sure are having a ball with the best in place, and we sure are a happy lot now, hai na? Tubelight, as we know, is Salman's Eid fair, and then he has Tiger Zinda Hai coming up. With so much happening, we only wonder how happy the fans would be to see the trailer, and of course this picture which has come at the right time. Well, for starters, we sure loved what Salman did, and then we are here to know how best he can do more, hai na? So for all Salman fans, here is the time they were waiting for, and the trailer news has been shared by Bhai himself. What is your take on this? Do let us know. After a nail-biting countdown, the day has finally arrived, and all Sallu fans are in for a treat in the form of the trailer launch of Tubelight. By now, we all unanimously agree that the storyline of Salman Khan is worth reckoning. And so, we have chalked out 5 reasons we simply can't wait to see the trailer. The first reason is the on-screen chemistry between Salman and his real-life brother Sohail Khan. While off the screen, the Khan brothers get along like a house on fire. It will be interesting to see the bhaigiri between the two in the trailer. Well, having seen the chemistry between the brothers, we definitely can't help think of the chemistry that Salman will share with his Chinese co-star Suzu, and though not much is known about her role, it will be interesting to see if we are treated to the way their love story transcends the borders between the two nations. Salman and Pritam together have dished out the peppy evergreen number Selfie Le Le Re in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and now the radio song too is equally foot-tapping and contagiously energetic. So the music of Tube Light 2 is something movie buffs would love to reveal in, and we hope that the trailer gives us ample reason to step on the dance floor and break into an impromptu jig. The compelling storyline about the events during the Indochina War of 1962 and Lakshman's journey will definitely make an interesting watch, and we hope to get to see some exciting war sequences from this lesser-known chapter of history. Every time the Bandra boy comes on the screen, fans are in for a delight, and each frame is brought to the light with his acting acumen and never-seen-before avatar of a dim-wit Tube Light. Well, while we have shared the top 5 reasons to watch the Tube Light, we would love to know what are your reasons. So drop in your comments in the section below and keep watching this space as we share some interesting tidbits only on Movie Satta. Tube Light का रिव्यू हुआ आउट। जी हाँ, लेकिन रुकिए, आप कैलेंडर को खोल के डेट देखने जाएं, उससे पहले हम ये बता दें कि फिल्म अभी रिलीज नहीं हुई है और ये रिव्यू सलमान खान के पापा सलीम खान ने दिया है। अब सलीम जी की रिव्यू और रिएक्शन तो $1 मिलियन वर्थ की है। फिल्ममेकर कबीर खान, जो स्क्रिप्ट राइटर सलीम खान को बहुत मानते हैं, उन्होंने अभी बताया कि जब सलीम खान को फर्स्ट कट यानी फिल्म दिखाई गई तो उनके रिएक्शन ने पूरी टीम को रुला दिया था। कबीर ने कहा, मैंने उन्हें फर्स्ट कट दिखाया, सलीम जी एडिट रूम से बाहर आए, बिना एक वर्ड कहे और आकर ही मुझे एक झप्पी ले ली। इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ मैं। कबीर ने ये भी रिवील किया कि कैसे सलीम उनके मेंटर थे पूरी फिल्म के दौरान, और ट्यूबलाइट का टैगलाइन क्या तुम्हें यकीन है सलीम खान का ही दिया हुआ है। लेकिन सलीम खान ने हम्बली रिएक्ट करते हुए इसका श्रेय नहीं लिया और कहा कि ये पूरी टीम का एफर्ट है। वेल, सलीम खान के रिव्यू से तो अब हम डबल श्योर है कि ट्यूबलाइट एक फाइन आर्ट वर्क होगी, है ना? Ever since the radio song from Tube Light was launched, fans have gone completely berserk enjoying the peppy foot-tapping number. Salman shown in his innocent tramp, which incidentally is a tribute to the greatest showman Raj Kapoor, and we must say that he has done an amazing job. And now the recently shared making video of the song popped up, a surprise at us. Fans were delighted to see glimpses of Suzu dancing along in glory and wow. The diva looked absolutely ethereal in her simplicity. Based on the backdrop of the war between India and China, the film narrates the journey of Salman in search of his lost brother. Well, coming back to Salman and Suzu, did you enjoy their magical moves in the radio song as yet? Do let us know. Karan Johar's upcoming movie Raat Baki may soon mark the debut of Salman Khan's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Though Kejo was keen to cast Fawad Khan in the film, he is now skeptical due to the informal ban on Pakistani artists working in India. So when good friend Salman Khan asked him to plan for a perfect launchpad for his brother-in-law, Karan decided to cast him in the film across the British beauty Katrina Kaif as the main lead in Raat Baki, which is a musical love story. The film will now be made under the banner of Salman's home production, Salman Khan Films. Well, if this turns out to be true, we will soon get to see yet another good-looking Jodi pair up. Now that would be quite nice, don't you think so? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates on this hot story.
Sajan Radio is a big celebratory dance number styled in the 60s for tapping dance form, and choreographer Remo has done an amazing piece of choreography. Filmmaker Kabir Khan revealed that the song was a celebratory number which takes a cue from the news of the end of war, which was announced on the radio. The entire town, the entire region comes together to celebrate. The shooting, which went on with almost 1,000 people on the set, was a Herculean task, but Remo and Kabir Khan seem to have done an amazing task. Remo was all praise for Salman and how he never rehearsed, and instead added a touch of spontaneity to the long dance moves. The results are out to see. Sajan Radio is already reigning high on the playlist and will definitely be one hell of a party number for long. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. The story of Kabir Khan and Salman Khan's third collaboration, Tubelight, is set against the backdrop of the war between India and China in the year 1962. And so a very crucial scene of the film depicts the Indian army as it was way back then. To make it look authentic, 600 actors were cast in the scene in question. Salman Khan's real-life brother Sohail Khan essays the role of his real-life brother, who is an army officer, who goes to war for his country. The events ensuing to give us glimpses into a lesser-known chapter of history and will definitely make for an interesting watch. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
A new question doing the rounds is who is the real Bahubali of Bollywood? The options are Salman Khan or Prabhas. Well, when singer Palak Muchal was quizzed about this, she initially tried to brush aside the question and said there is no comparison between the two. Speaking about numbers, she stated that artists never believe in numbers, rather they believe in appreciation. Salman and Prabhas both have had their fair share of appreciation, so comparing them would indeed be unfair. However, on persisting, she did reveal that Salman is her personal favorite. On the other hand, the talented filmmaker Anil Sharma, who had recently claimed that Bahubali 2 had in reality not broken any records as yet too, was quite clear that he didn't want to answer this question and dig out a controversy. Nonetheless, the Gadar filmmaker did speak volumes about both Prabhas and Salman. So the question still remains unanswered. This makes us curious to know what is your opinion of the real Bahubali. Do drop in your comments in the section below as we share the final verdict with you soon. Salman is busy promoting his upcoming film Tubelight, and the Bhai has also wrapped up the second schedule of his espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai with no time left to breathe. But amidst this busy schedule and major professional commitments, a shocking news about a major tiff between the Khan brothers, Salman and Arbaz, has come to the limelight. Yes, while the Khan brothers are known to bond quite well and their family is one big unit, brother Arbaz is quite miffed with Salman. Reason? Apparently, Arbaz has been eagerly waiting to direct the next inning of Dabangg 3, but despite repeated requests, Salman is not able to find time for his brother's venture, and this has left Arbaz angry. Well, we do understand that Salman is a big star and has his calendar for the next 2 years full, but nonetheless, we would love to see the antiques of Chulbul Pandey once more. Meanwhile, news is that Arbaz is keen to cast Salman's alleged girlfriend Ulya Vantur in the film along with the original Rajo Sonakshi Sinha. Now that would be something worth watching. Don't you think so? The year began on a shocking note when Bollywood couple Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan announced that they had filed for divorce. While we were wondering what went wrong in their 15-year-old marriage, reasons trickled out. Well, apparently one of the reasons was that Malaika was unhappy with Arbaz living under the shadow of brother Salman Khan, who incidentally didn't get along too well with Malaika. Owing to Arbaz's failed career, Malaika was single-handedly handling the expenses of her son Arhan, something which left her with a bitter taste. In the meanwhile, there were rumors that Arbaz's growing proximity with his Romanian girlfriend Alexandria didn't go down too well with Malaika, and for the past 2 years, the couple have been leading separate lives. While the entire Khan clan tried to make things work out, the couple eventually got divorced, and now Arbaz may soon move on and tie the knot with his lady love Alexandria, with whom he seems to be spending quite some time. Their body language speaks volumes of their relationship, and an announcement may soon be on the cards. What do you feel hearing this news? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.